This is the instructions for CIP cleaning. First, we explain the recipe. For each recipe, there will be multiple stages, and for each stage, there will be multiple steps. And here we make this recipe to have only one stage, and with 4 steps. For each step, the time is 0.5 minutes. You see, this stage 2 is 0. It means that the next stages are invalid. Now we go to the CIP cleaning page. Also make sure that the switches are in the correct mode. Here it doesn't matter. Okay, this doesn't matter, and this must be in CIP cleaning mode. Now we click this button to start the CIP cleaning. First, it asks you to open the manual vent valve. This is the manual vent valve. After you do that, confirm it. And then you need to connect the cleaning hose to port A1. For different port name, you can find it in the drawing. Okay, this needs to be done manually, and after this hose is connected to the right port, you confirm it, and then you confirm the CIP pump is started. So you go to start the CIP pump, and then you confirm it, and then now you can start the cleaning. By pressing start, the related valve will be open, and here we have the step is to clean the fitting pipe. So the fitting pipe is this one. So later, after we click in the start button, this valve will be open. First, the main motor will be started, and only when it reaches the set value, the RPM, the valve will be open. And then it starts to count the time. And then after the time is over, the valve will be closed. Now time is over, so the valve is closed. Now this step is done. We need to stop the CIP pump. So after this is done, we confirm it. Then we go to the second step. We need to dismount the hose and connect it to the other port. Also, we need to start the CIP pump again, and we start the cleaning. You will see the valves here will be open. During the operation, the main motor will continue to run. Now they are open, and the time is being counted.
稍等一下啊。
After the time is over, this step of cleaning is done, and we need to stop the CIP pump. After you stop it, press confirm. Now we go to the third step. Confirm, confirm, start. Now the new valve is open. Now the time is over and it's closed. Then you stop the pump, confirm. Now we go to the fourth step. To clean the screw pump, we don't need to run the distributor plate, so we need to stop it. And then it's stopped. Connect the hose to the right port, confirm. Start the pump. Start the cleaning. And this valve is open. And the time is being counted. Confirm. So this stage is done, and we need to stop the CIP pump. Confirm. Now, if the level in the tank is higher than LL level, the screw pump will keep running until it's until the level goes down to LL level. Then we confirm it. You need to manually open the drain ports on the screw pump to drain. This one. After you do it, you confirm it. Then it says the stage. This stage is done. Confirm it. If all the stages are complete, then the total CIP cleaning recipe is done. This window will show up, and you confirm it. Okay, now you need to close the manual vent valve that you opened at the beginning. After you close it, you press confirm. Then this recipe is done.